Have you ever wondered how to set up a Facebook business page in Australia? Well, in today's digital age, having such a page can be a game changer for your small business. It's like having a shop window on the world's busiest street. A Facebook business page increases your visibility, enables you to engage with customers, and opens up a whole new avenue for sales. So, buckle up. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up your own Facebook business page in Australia. The first step in setting up your Facebook business page is to create your page. Now, to kick things off, head over to Facebook's homepage. Once there, you'll find the Create option at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Page. This will lead you to the business creation page. Here, you'll need to fill in some key information about your business. Start with the name of your business. Make sure it's the same as your actual business name to maintain consistency and help your customers find you easily. Next, you'll pick a category that best represents what your business does. This helps Facebook show your page to the right audience. Then, write a description. This is your chance to tell people about your business in a nutshell. Make it impactful, yet concise. Accuracy in these details is paramount. It not only helps your potential customers understand what you offer, but also improves your visibility on Facebook. Once you've filled in these details, you're ready to move on to the next step. The next step in setting up your Facebook business page is to add essential information. Now, what do we mean by essential information? Well, this includes your business address, operating hours, and contact information. This might seem like basic information, but trust me, it's more important than you think. Firstly, let's talk about the business address. Adding your business address helps customers locate you physically. This is crucial if you have a brick-and-mortar store or a physical office. It also helps in local search optimization, making your page more visible to people in your vicinity. Next up, operating hours. Imagine a potential customer planning to visit your store, but they're unsure if you're open. If your operating hours are clearly listed, it removes that uncertainty. It helps your customers plan their visit and ensures they won't be met with a closed sign. Finally, your contact information. This usually includes a phone number and an email address. It's a direct line for customers to reach out to you. Whether they have queries, feedback, or issues, they know exactly how to get in touch. It fosters a sense of accessibility and trust between you and your customers. Remember, this information isn't just about filling in the blanks. It's about creating a comprehensive and user-friendly page that caters to your audience's needs. It's about making your page a reliable resource for your customers, thereby enhancing your brand's visibility and credibility. With the essential information added, your page is starting to take shape. The third step in setting up your Facebook business page is to add images and a call to action button. Images are a crucial part of your business page as they visually represent your brand to your audience. A well-chosen profile picture and cover photo can speak volumes about your business. They should be high quality, relevant, and appealing, as they're often the first impression visitors get of your brand. Now let's talk about the call to action button. This is a vital feature that guides your visitors towards your desired action, be it booking a service, making a purchase, or learning more about your business. Adding it is straightforward. Simply click on the Add a Button option below your cover photo, choose your desired action, and voila! You've created a clear path for your visitors to engage with you. With your images and call to action button in place, your page is almost ready to go live. The final step in setting up your Facebook business page is to publish and promote your page. Once you're satisfied with the look and content of your page, it's time to press that Publish button. But remember, hitting publish is not the finish line, it's the starting gun. After publishing, start by inviting friends, family, and existing customers to like and share your page. This helps to create an initial base of followers. Don't be shy about asking for likes and shares. Every little bit helps to increase your visibility. Keep your page active with regular posts and engagement. Respond to comments, like, and share related content, and always keep the conversation going. This not only keeps your followers engaged, but also helps to attract new ones. Remember, a Facebook business page is a living, breathing entity. It grows and evolves with your business. So, keep feeding it with fresh content and engagement. Congratulations! You've set up your Facebook business page. Now it's time to start engaging with your customers and growing your online presence.